9 games as Relebohile Mofokeng comes on for Monopoli Saleng. He's soaked up the experience overseas on trial at Wolves. He's cutting Kim. Dion Otto's attempt in the first time. Otto now. Mofokeng to Ndlondlo. Ball for Kimwidi is superb from the teenager. Is try and get upfield. Just 2 men. Tim Mofokeng. Nice crisp pass for launch. He's shot into the shins of Komani. Orlando Pirates still have it. Mofokeng gets it back from Tim. Still Mofokeng.
You find your opportunities, and I think this has been the true test for Orlando Pirates this season for patience.
We got Tim. So Mofokeng. Mofokeng chopping back inside. And Lepasa can't control. Huge opportunity for Orlando Pirates. Manufactured by the teenager Mofokeng.
Mofokeng here with his trickery. That's what you want from a winger. Commit inside the box there. And I'm sure if he fell there, it could have been claimed as a penalty, but the passer there, unable to control that ball. But look at the skill from the young man.
And sticking that in the back of the net.
100%.
It's just not as full sharpness at the moment. Mofokeng, it's campaign. Ndlondlo Mofokeng, that's not, he had a long time to watch that arrive. He's thrown it out with some real distance. Mofokeng with a lovely bit of skill. Kimwidi able to look all the way across the line and he's straight offside. Both he and Buthelezi, big imposing units that gone these days. And the officials, even in these closing stages of the match, have to remain at their best. Plenty of elements they need to keep a close eye on. So it'll be Orlando Pirates to kick first, which they say traditionally gives you a